Welcome back. In the previous video, we looked at how the Power Query interface looks like. Now, before we even get to Power Query, there has to be something that leads us to Power Query, which is connecting to data sources. Before we can start working with data cleaning, there is need for us to have the data first. So we have to source for the data before we now say that we want to clean the data, remove the duplicate, remove inconsistency, and so on and so forth. One of the major or the very first thing that we have to do before we start doing data cleaning, as you guys have learned before, we have the ETL process. The first one is the E, which is extract. So we need to connect to the data sources first. You can access Microsoft Power Query inside of Microsoft Excel or inside of Microsoft Power BI. Inside of Microsoft Excel, you can go to the data tab and go to get data, and you can access them from different sources. Is it from file? Under the file, you can access the Excel workbook, text or CSV. We have the XML, JSON, from folder, from SharePoint, and so on and so forth. You can also access data from databases if you are using SQL Server, or you are using MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and so on and so forth. We also have from Azure, from online services, and from other sources. You can also combine queries. To connect to data sources, you can import data from Excel, CSV. You can also import from database, just as it's stated here, SQL Server, MySQL, and so on and so forth. You can also import data from web and APIs, which we call web scraping. So you can connect to a particular website and get the data that you want to work with from there. For example, you may be interested in analyzing your engagement on X, on Instagram, on Facebook. You can analyze your account. How many followers have you gotten in the last few days or the past few days? How many or what is your engagement count? How many likes? How many comments? How many reposts? And so on and so forth. So the data are not readily available, and it's not something that you can easily download. What you can do is connect to the API and extract the data from there, or connect to the website using the URL and extract the data from there. So this is one of the ways to extract data from the data sources in Power Query. In the next video, we're going to be looking at data transformation basics, such as removing duplicates, blanks, and so on and so forth. See you guys in the next video.